Today, I'm going to show you how to record an invoice payment in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Sales. Then go to the Invoices tab. This is where you'll see the invoices you've created for customers. Find the invoice you want to record a payment for. You can use the search bar, filters, or invoice status to find it faster. Once you find the correct invoice, click Receive Payment on that invoice row. This opens the payment screen. Now enter the payment details. Choose the payment method, such as cash, check, bank transfer, or card. If you have a check number, transaction ID, or confirmation number, enter it in the reference number field. Next, choose where the payment was deposited. If the money is going to be grouped with other payments before it reaches your bank, choose Undeposited Funds. If the payment already went directly into your bank account, choose that bank account instead. Now check the payment date. Use the date you actually received the money. Then, review the payment amount. If the customer paid the full invoice, leave the full amount selected. If they only made a partial payment, change the amount to what they actually paid. QuickBooks will keep the remaining balance open. You can also add a short memo if needed. Before saving, confirm the customer, invoice, payment date, payment method, deposit account, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the payment to the invoice and update the invoice status to paid or partially paid. And that's how to record an invoice payment in QuickBooks Online in 2026.